सो गुड आफ्टरनुन एभ्रिवान। अनि यो चाहिँ हाम्रो सेल्सन कलेज सनदा हो, एकदमै ठुलो छ, दामी कलेज छ हो। अनि यो चाहिँ हाम्रो कलेज इस्टाब्लिस भएको चाहिँ तपाईँको 1938 मा भएको। अनि मसित चाहिँ यहाँ हाम्रो दिपर सर हुनुहुन्छ। सो दिपर सर, तपाईँलाई एकदमै म यस च्यानलमा स्वागत गर्छु तपाईँलाई हो। अनि तपाईँको बारेमा भन्नुहोस् न ल, तपाईँले कहिले कलेज जोइन गर्नुभयो, त्यसको बारेमा के भन्नुहोस् न, लाइफको बारेमा।
मेरो लाइफको बारेमा
हजुर
म कालिम्पोङमा पढेको।
हजुर
अन्त एज अ स्टुडेन्ट आई स्टडिड इन मिसनरी स्कुल ओन्ली, सेन्ट अगस्टिन स्कुल,
हजुर
and then I passed from St. Augustine School. Then I studied in Rockville Academy,
हजुर
and after that I thought of pursuing hotel management. Just like all of you, I also did not have guidance regarding career, and I was really confused. What should I do after class 12? And I pursued hotel management for nearly 4 months in Calcutta.
Okay.
Then I decided not to do, and my health also did not permit because the intensity of the labor that is there in hotel management was really high, and I had to stay as a boarding in a hostel. So because of that, a lot of problems arose, and I returned back. And after that, I decided I would pursue college and study English as my subject. Then I joined Kalimpong College in Kalimpong. Then after that I pursued my masters from St. North Point College in Darjeeling. And after that, the journey has not been very steady. But
Okay.
yes, after that I studied and I went to Gangtok for my B.Ed education, and I pursued B.Ed there. And after that, I worked in schools.
Okay.
I worked in a school, Army Public School, and my own school, St. Augustine School, prior to joining this college.
Okay.
And in the middle of this journey, I was preparing for my NET exam, PhD, and working, and was also working on my book. So that has been the journey till now, and I have an experience of working in school and colleges, including here, nearly 1 year now, nearly 8 years of experience now. And I have in my family member, I have my brother, mother,
Okay.
and father.
Okay.
My brother is also working in college only. He's an engineer, and he's working in Mumbai, one of the engineering colleges. That's a government college, a central government college, and he's working there. He's well off. My mother works in ICDS. She's an accountant and storekeeper in ICDS, Kalimpong. My father has retired, and he was a senior manager in LIC. That is what regarding me. That's everything about me. Anything you want to know?
Okay. So sir, thank you for sharing about your life. Okay. So second thing I'll ask you, okay, about Darjeeling, okay. And तपाईँलाई थाहा छ कि सर के अब in Darjeeling, you know that we have singers, no artists, every things. But one thing, there is a problem with Darjeeling is that you know that Darjeeling has not means the Darjeeling we don't get music industry and platform for that. What is the reason?
The reason, because we we as a race, Nepali, Gorkhali, Indian community, we our generation of people who have finished studying, we are just second generation who is going to schools and colleges, and hardly third generation for few members of this community. So the journey has not been easy. So we are still in building up phase. We are still building up the race as a whole. So in Darjeeling, and since we are in a state which does not treat us as the sole, or you can say the important part of their state, because of that there is a lot of discrepancy, there's a lot of prejudice against us.
Okay.
So we as a race, so if there is an artist, until and unless he gets support from some organization, there is nothing that can support them. Okay.
Okay.
And because of that, there's no much encouragement for the artists, singers, and especially people who are involved in sports. So when until and unless we as a community focus and work so that the members of our society, the youngsters who wants to pursue sports as well as music, they have to be catered to such a way that they get the pedestal and the platform to perform. So the political leaders also have to look into this, not only building roads and doing things which are for their own selfish vested interest. So rather than doing that, we can organize shows regarding where the players get a chance to showcase their talent, and once we identify the talent, also give them the pedestal, so that, and the support, financial, emotional support, so that they can go away from this part of the world and perform in other states and compete at the national level. So when that starts to happen, and when our gems who are there languishing, doing nothing, if they get a pedestal, financial support, pedestal, a platform to perform, they will really do well in life. So the only thing is, now it boils down to one thing, that is Gorkhaland. Until and unless we have a state or union territory which can provide that pedestal to our youngsters, to aspiring sportsmen, to the aspiring musicians, these problems which you said, no, they will be there. We
Okay.
cannot help it out, because our society has not become so strong so that they can support them, or else our youngsters do not have that financial support where they can finance themselves and go and perform and showcase their talent. So there is no encouragement, there is no support to, in a way, provide them colleges, academics, as well as other things.
ओके ओके सर. सो थर्ड लास्ट क्वेसन त अब छैन कि सर, कि त्यति साह्रो दुईवटा क्वेसन सोधिहाल्ने. सो दर्शकवृन्दलाई के भन्न चाहन्छ यो लास्ट, अब अन्तिममा के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ तपाईँ सबैजनालाई?
म नेपालीमै भन्छु, म केही पनि भन्नु चाहदिनँ.
हुन्छ.
तर एउटै कुरो हो, हामीले चाहिँ यो दार्जिलिङमा बसेर हामी स्टुडेन्ट्सहरू क्या, कम्पिटिटिभ नेचर, कम्पिटिटिभ माइन्डसेट पनि छैन. कम्पिटिटिभ माइन्डसेट हुनुपर्छ होइन.
हजुर.
अन्त जबसम्म हामी नेसनल लेभलमा कम्पिट गर्दैनौँ, हामी आइएएस अफिसर्स, डब्लुबिसिएस अफिसर्स हुनुको लागि नानीहरूलाई इन्सपायर गर्दैनौँ, तबसम्म यो गोर्खाल्यान्ड भन्ने कुरा पनि एउटा ड्रिमै बस्छ. सो तिमीले पनि, मैले पनि, सबै मेरो स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूलाई, तिमीले पनि आफ्नो साथीहरूलाई इन्करेजमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ. नभए भने नि यो गोर्खाल्यान्ड भन्ने ड्रिम इज गोइङ टु रिमेन अ ड्रिम. अन्त हामीले चाहिँ आफ्नो सोसाइटीको लागि पनि वाट वी क्यान गिभ ब्याक टु द सोसाइटी भन्ने सोच्नुपर्छ. सपोज मैले अब एउटा केही कुरा पैसा कमाएँ, और मैले एउटा कुनै एरियामा मैले रिसर्च गरेर मैले नलेज कमाएँ, द्याट आई सुड गिभ इट ब्याक टु द सोसाइटी भन्ने सोच पनि राख्नुपर्छ. अन्त हाम्रो नानीहरूलाई त्यो सिकाउनु जरुरी छ. सो एन्ड लास्ट बट नट द लिस्ट, त्यही हो, देयर इज अ सेइङ विच वाज द मोटो अफ माई स्कुल वाज लाइक, थ्रु हार्ड वर्क वी रिच स्टार्स. हुन्छ नि,
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
हार्ड वर्क गऱ्यो भने स्टार्समा पुग्छ भन्छ, त्यो पनि ट्रु नै हो. सो आई विश अल द पिपल हु आर वाचिङ दिस, डु नट फर्गेट द ड्रिम्स एन्ड अलवेज वर्क हार्ड टु
Yes, sir.
टु एचिभ ग्रेटर गोल्स इन लाइफ. थ्याङ्क यू.
ओके, थ्याङ्क यू सर. सो बाई बाई टु एभ्री वान. ल,
बाई.
थ्याङ्क यू सर. यति हो. हुन्छ. सरसित मजाले इन्टरभ्यू भयो, अनि सरकोबाट के सिक्नु भयो होला है. हुन्छ. सरले जे भन्यो त्यही हामी मनमा राखौँ, बेसरको साथमा राखौँ. हुन्छ. थ्याङ्क यू. वान गुड बाई. टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी. थ्याङ्क यू.